ever want to buy uh, in December, I announced already. I told to Nanay Ningning and Uncle Jurgen, the late husband, is in the tomb in the Germany. Even Wolfgang Lidner, Helmut Kallenborn. I say to them, oh, Helmut Kallenborn, Wolfgang Lidner, ist ein bisschen Kalgeniten, Auto, Porsche, uh, BMW, oh, Mercedes-Benz. So, it's still reached ich Mountain Mercedes-Benz Augen Illinfern. so so I will get auto cars. So I will get all the cars. I said, I told to my mom, I will get the other car, the Margaret diecast. My Margaret diecast, I'll buy 3. Mazda RX-7, Toyota 86, Mitsubishi Lancer, Evo 8, even and even other car, Volkswagen Beetle. So I will get the car, even Volkswagen Golf. Oh, I will get the other car too. By December, I will get cars too. Because I said to my mom, oh, I buy a PS4 game, Need for Speed 2015. I said, no, I don't want to get PS4 games because, I already have my own cars. I already have Need for Speed Heat. I already have plenty cars that I unlock. Because I like cars. Before I go to Japan, I'll get all cars. Oh, I'll get the cars too. In Landers, I went there and there's no Volkswagen Beetle. I want to get the Volkswagen van. That was a vehicle of Helmut Kallenborn. That was the 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 friend of Nanay Ningning. Wolfgang Lidner has a car too, Mercedes-Benz. I look there, Mercedes-Benz click. That diecast car, I never have a diecast. I never see Mazda RX-7. I never see Toyota 86. But don't worry, I will get Tommy Cat Premium in December. Initial D. Toyota 86. But that time, in April, I will get Iraqi army tank. The tank of Saddam Hussein. After I get Saddam Hussein, in December, I'll get diecast cars. Oh. Because I know Nanay Ningning requested me Volkswagen Beetle. Okay, Nanay Ningning. I'll get 2 Ayashima Snapkit diecast. I'll get Mazda RX-7. I'll get Volkswagen Beetle. But I have my own Nissan Skyline GTR. But I'll get Mazda RX-7. Or maybe Honda NNX. Oh, Honda NNX. Or maybe what car are you just looking for? Okay, Toyota Corolla 86. I will get it. I will collect all diecast cars. And then I will display it. Oh. I say to Nanay Ningning, I have Porsche. Oh, I have it in my Christmas village. Petron. I have Tomica. I have to show you something. But I don't have Volkswagen na. Maybe here in the Philippines, I will go to Landers. I will look there Hot Wheels, Volkswagen bus, van. The favorite of Wolfgang Helmut Kallenborn. Okay, I will get there in the Philippines. I'll find it there in the Landers. Hot Wheels, Hot Wheels. And then in Japan, I will get Toyota 86. I'll find the car of Helmut Kallenborn, Volkswagen Golf GTI. I saw it in Need for Speed Heat. The friend of Nanay Ningning wants to get a driver's license in Germany to drive Volkswagen GTI Golf. It has a turbo. I think it's really a tuner car. And then what car I will get? Toyota 86 Corolla Takumi Fujiwara. Oh, I will get the Takumi. I will get Takumi also. I said I will get the cars too. Look at this. Oh, this one I got Toyota Supra. I got Nissan Skyline GTR. This one I got Renault Hot Wheels. This one is Hot Wheels. It's a Renault. I got Ford Mustang. This one is a gift from Luis Cabales. GM 66 American. This one is a Gachapon Nissan Pulsar GTR. And no worry, I'm just gonna say to Wolfgang Lidner, Wolfgang, and Helmut Kallenborn, the two rivals, the friends of Nanay Ning Ning. I accepted, both of you have accepted the request. In here in the Philippines, I will get Volkswagen Golf, Hot Wheels. And then I will get a car, Toyota 86 Corolla. I requested from Kuya J. And then I requested from Kuya J, Toyota Corolla 86 Takumi Fujiwara. Oh, I accepted. Even Mazda RX-7, I accepted too. Mitsubishi Lancer Evo 8, I will get a car too. Oh, I will collect all toy cars. I will collect diecast. I said, I don't want Tomica because I'll get Matchbox. I will get Mazda. I will get Mazda. But I accepted the request from Nanay Ning Ning, Volkswagen Golf, Hot Wheels here in the Philippines. Landers. And then I will get Toyota 86 in Fukuoka, Japan, December. Kuya J. It's my own choice because Tito Mac requested me. I will get Tamiya Iraqi Army T-55. Because I like the Iraqi. Because, there's a tension in Iran. Because, during the time of Saddam Hussein and Ali Khamenei, they reconcile each other. They're not enemies after the Iran-Iraq war. But right now, I will get a tank. Iraqi army, Saddam Hussein. And I will get a tank in April, right? April, But wait for the Hot Wheels. I said, I said to Nanay Ning Ning, I said, April, I can find Hot Wheels there in Japan. There's no Hot Wheels there. There's no Volkswagen Golf. But only Philippines have Hot Wheels. I say to Nanay Ning Ning, Nanay Ning Ning, there's Hot Wheels there in Landers. There's a Volkswagen Golf. If you want Volkswagen Golf, I'll buy that car. I'll find this car. If I get this in Need for Speed Heat, I'll get that car too. I'll buy that car. And then I will design it, that car. I say to Nanay Ning Ning, do you know about Sonny from the Need for Speed Most Wanted? He's a Chinese immigrant in the US. And his car is Volkswagen Golf GTI. And that was a car of Helmut Kallenborn. A Mercedes-Benz Click. That was a car of Bull Taro Sato. That was the Need for Speed Most Wanted character. And that was the car of of Need for Speed Most Wanted. No worry. In the Philippines, landers are collecting all Hot Wheels. Mercedes-Benz and Volkswagen. Yeah, I will get Volkswagen. Philippines only, Volkswagen. There's a Mazda RX-7. Oh, there's no Toyota, there's no Nissan. I have Nissan. Skyline, Tomica. Oh, I have Tomica Nissan Skyline. But I will start collect all diecast car. And I will start my own blog.